Little Kitty Makimo by Maximo Rivera. Little Kitty Makimo, he's someone I have met. I found him on the internet. I wanted a new friend. I think he kind of found me too, like something true was coming. I named him after me, the way my mama called me while I was running. When forever was a tall oak tree, 100 miles rising, and the highest place a boy could be was somewhere spirit flying. And my little kitty Makimo, he wears a pair of socks. He stays with me when I am happy and purrs when I'm distraught. To me, my little Makimo is who I used to be when life had not yet captured all away my little dreams. So now I have another me to help me find again the hopes and wonders gone away. He is my special friend.